Hello everyone, welcome for today's class 9th Social Science Model Paper Semester 1 continuation part I will be doing. So in the previous class I've already given you all the MCQs, right? So today till 20 I have done in the previous class. So today I will be doing till 20, start with 21. Okay, where it is? Wait, let me see. Yeah. So this is the model paper. We have done till 20, right? In the previous class, we have done till 20. A city on the bank of Yamuna faces water pollution. Which of the following do you think causes the problem? Heavy rainfall, sewage, non-perennial nature, melting of snow. Okay. The words in column B bear a particular relationship with those in column A. You'll have to write in column D the words bearing a similar relationship to those in column C. Basically here they have given you all the subordinate court judges is governor. What about the high court judge? Here you'll have to fill it. For Columbus it is Italian sailor. For Bartholomew Dias, name which sailor it will be. Portugal it is Prince Henry. For France it is what? That you all have to write down, okay? Next is you all have to identify here. Identify the following personalities with the help of two clues given below. So basically they will give you all two clues. He is the author of the two treaties of government. He influenced the American Revolution. Who is that person? You all have to write down. He was one of the chieftains of Concoli. He escaped a massacre by jumping into the river Sal. Write down who is the there are clues given. He crossed Atlantic Ocean and rounded South America. He lost his life in Philippines. Who is that person? You all have to write down. Then you all have to choose and write odd one from the following. From this, which is the odd one? That also you all have to figure it out and write down. Here Tiswadi Barde Salsate pair name is given. So which is the odd one from this? That you all have to find out. Here Giulo Naik, Molko Naik, Kalgo Naik, Aga Naik. This you all can read and choose the odd one and write down. Next, moving further, because without wasting much of the time we have to move further. Give a geographical term for each of the following. A geographical barrier that topographically separated drainage basins. A triangular landform formed at the mouth of the river. Then you all have to complete the analogy. Dendritic drainage, this is a geographical part, okay? Rectangular drainage, what it is? Riva, Mandovi, Yamuna. Take down all this. Next is the answer the following questions. Okay? Answer the following question in 2 sentences each. First, you'll have to analyze the effect of geographical exploration on the natives from Africa. How was the town planning of the Vira different from the other Harappa cities? So take down this question number 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41. Okay, evaluate the significance of the port of Goa to the Portuguese Eastern Empire. Then there is state two salient features of the Indian Constitution. Why do we need Indian Standard Time? The difference between the duration of a day and night is hardly felt in Kanyakumari compared to Ladakh. Analyze. Then we have more questions like this. Why was the most of the desert region sparsely polluted? India would have to face many economic problems in the absence of the Himalayan river. Why is the Northern Plains the most fertile region of the country? The lowland of Goa are economically important. Justify. Why is mixed economy better than the capitalism and socialism? Then also you'll have to write 2 points of difference between the Western and the Eastern Ghats. Now write down this answer of the following question. Answer the following question in 3 sentences each. Evaluate the significance of the Second Constitutional Congress in the American War of Independence. Were colonists justified in raising the slogan "No taxation without representation"? Explain. The Himalayan Range Act has a natural productive wall for India. Explain. Then you all can take down question number 51. The Himalayan Range Act has a natural productive wall for India. Explain. Then the eastern coastal plain of India is very important to us. Explain. Either you all can answer this one or this one, okay, or is there? See. Then read the following extract and answer the question set below. The committee led by Dr. Birmaro Ambedkar include provision for equality, justice, liberty and fraternity in the constitution. It also prohibited untouchability and provided for the rights of scheduled caste and scheduled tribes. You all have to name the community that drafted the Constitution of India. How did the Constitution strengthen local and the urban communities? If an Indian citizen feel oppressed, what solution is provided him or her by the Constitution? Then what we have is the lakes in India. Take down these lakes in India are not only of geographical importance but also support the tourism industry. How do lakes promote tourism? Then analyze how lakes contribute to maintain ecological balance in the environment. Name any two fresh water lake of India. Then you all can take down this. On the given outline map, the following prepares an index of the symbol used by the headquarters of the Tiswadi Taluka, highland of Kankona, river Mandovi. Note, second semester paper pattern will be the same. No separate sample paper will be provided for the second semester. Teacher have to be adhere to the distribution of the marks allotted for the second semester in the academic calendar. Okay. So there were only 60 questions. You all can take down. You all can answer this and keep ready. In the month of September, I will be giving you all the answer key of this model paper. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe my channel and share with your friends. Press the bell icon for more updates. If any doubts, queries, comment below.